but so social, so good, so sarap. Tapos mo. Hi guys, this is the first time Opus Mall with my BFF exploring. Let's get lost.
We will blend.
We will blend. BFF, this is social. Let's go back. Kaya nga, huwag na tayo doon. Di tayo first time namin here ni BFF and the mall is very spacious and luxurious. Hindi kami belong kasi ang vibes ay very socialite and high class. Paano na kaya kami mga feeling social climbers, di ba? Out of place yata kami pero ang aesthetic ng lugar. Konti pa lang yung mga open shops and restaurants sila. Pero ang ganda ng food court. I love how white and clean it is. Pati CR nila, ang bango at bago. I especially love the overlooking view ng Pasig River sa tabi ng food court. Meron din gashapon if you're into gacha and blind box items. Tamang libot lang din kami ni BFF kasi wala kaming budget. Syempre nagpunta rin kami sa podium nila.
Pinuulang kami.
Cut on cam! Minecraft movie ang team nila noong April so may design sa podium nila. Ang lawak ng open area which is perfect for picture taking and the scenery. Sakto si BFF ang aking cameraman.
Lalalaba. Can do the picture be?
Podium part ng Opus.
Oo nga no, yung pala yan, podium.
Di ba?
We're going to the cinema.
Yeah, manood kami ng Minecraft movie.
Part. FNAF!
Five Nights at Freddy's.
May part 2 na.
Part 2. Fantopia Park. Siya gumawa ng bat. Meron din silang claw machine sa Fantopia Park. Siyempre, tingnan ng claw machine. Naglibot din kami ni BFF sa cinemas.
Parang amoy bago yung popcorn nila.
Kaya nga, hindi amoy freebie. Tamang upong aesthetic dito.
Wow!
Ang bango.
Diba? Mukhang bago. May Minecraft.
May mga stands din ng upcoming movies at ang linis ng hallway pa cinema nila. Tara
na. O, ayan.
Titikman.
Top 10 mall spots.
In front of the chapel room?
Top 10 spots for picnic. This is a picnic.
Actually, pwede. What's this? Wedding mo na, wedding. Sino ba sasabi nun?
Si X. Ikaw nagtanong, di ba?
Some things are better left unanswered.
Sa uppermost floor nila, there is a chapel of archangels that hold the Holy Mass and this is their schedule. Then we went to Spatio Department Store, libot ulit until we reached the ground floor and visited the marketplace na kung saan bumili kami ni BFF ng 15 pesos na yogurt. Tamang kain lang kasi gutom na kami.
Yogurt? Lasang yogurt? Normal.
Then it's time to exit the mall via the parking lot. Here are the rates and that is all for our Opus Mall short tour vlog. Balik kami next time. 22